Hello everyone, this is Chandana from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today in this video we are going to know some information about air pollution. First we'll know introduction to air pollution. Air pollution, an insidious companion of urban development and industrialization, is an environmental issue of increasing concern. It's the presence of harmful substances in the atmosphere not only jeopardizing human health but also the planet's ecosystem. From the soot-laden air of industrial cities to the invisible but toxic haze of car exhaust in traffic-cultured streets, air pollution paints a grim picture of its widespread impact. The fight against this invisible enemy too complex, involving a myriad of strategies aimed to reduce emission, improving air quality, and safeguard health. Next, we'll move on to the source of air pollution. The origins of air pollution are multi-phased, ranging through the activities of everyday life. Chief amongst these are the combustion of fossil fuels in power plants, automobiles, and industries, as well as through residential heating systems. These activities release a cocktail of pollutants including particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and volatile organic compounds into the atmosphere. A significant, albeit less known contributor to air pollution is agriculture involving the release of ammonia, a key ingredient in particulate matter formation. Additionally, natural sources cannot be overlooked. Wildfires, volcanic eruptions, and dust storms also throw and particles and gases that after air quality. Industrial emission, vehicle exhaust, natural causes. Factories and power production facilities significantly contribute to airborne pollutants through the burning of coal and other fossil fuels. Vehicle exhaust. Road traffic emissions from a major urban air pollution source due to a high concentration of vehicles, especially in densely polluted cities. Natural causes. Although often overlooked, natural events such as wildfires, volcanic eruptions contribute sustainably to airborne particulates. Health effects of air pollution. Air pollution reaches on human health in extensive, ranging from short-term irritations to long-term chronic conditions. Respiratory illness such as asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer have clear links to polluted air. Cardiovascular diseases are also exacerbated with air pollution causing increases in blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Emerging research suggests that the microscopic particulate matter can penetrate deep into the lungs and even enter the bloodstream, leading to issues beyond the respiratory and cardiovascular systems such as diabetes and neurological disorders. Respiratory diseases. Polluted air contributes to a range of respiratory problems from coughing and wheezing to asthma and chronic bronchitis. Cardiovascular risk. By affecting the heart and blood vessels, polluted air can be lead to heart attacks, strokes, and hypertensive diseases. Environmental effects of air pollution. The worth of air pollution extends beyond human health, casting a shadow over entire ecosystems. Acid rain, born from air pollutants, damages forest and aquatic habitats, altering the chemistry of soil and water bodies, disrupting the lives of countless species. In the air, pollution form a smog, reducing visibility and contributing to the greenhouse gas effect, escalating global warming. In addition, air pollution damages historical monuments and buildings, eroding the sculpture heritage collected over centuries. The interactive relationship between air quality and environmental health is evident in the declining biodiversity and increasing vulnerability of ecosystem to changes caused by pollution. Acid rain. Sulfur and nitrogen pollutants cause acidic precipitation, leading to damage of aquatic ecosystem and forest. Smog and visibility. The formation of smog and from pollutants not only impairs visibility but also exacerbates respiratory diseases in wildlife. Global warming. Greenhouse gases from air pollution contribute to the warming of the planet, resulting in climate change and its associated impacts. Control measures of air pollution. Controlling air pollution requires a multi-pronged approach, incorporating a variety of strategies catering to the different pollution sources. Transitioning to clean energy source like solar and wind and implementing energy efficient practices helps in cutting down emissions from power production. Vehicle emissions can be mitigated by promotion public transportation, electric vehicles and cleaner fuels. In industry, adopting cleaner process and technologies alongside regular monitoring and maintenance are vital steps. Preserving green spaces and expanding urban forests and natural air filters, while regular legislation updates based on scientific findings ensure standards for clean air are the achievable. Clean energy. The shift towards renewable energy sources like wind and solar drastically reduces emissions from energy production. Green transport. Improving public transport and encouraging electric vehicles can significantly cut down on vehicle emission. Government regulations and policies. Government plays a vital role in combating air pollution through the creation and enforcement of regulations and policies. Laws such as the Clean Air Act in the United States set national standards for emission and air quality, mandating the control of pollutants through permitting and fines. Policy tools such as subsidies for clean energy and tax incentives for reducing emissions are impactful in steering industries and consumers towards eco-friendly practices. Internationally, agreements and collaborations such as the Paris Agreement aim to unite countries in the common goal of reducing global emissions and combating climate change. Emission standards. National emission standards regulate the allowable levels of key pollutants directly impacting industries and support sectors. Incentives for clean energy. Financial incentives for renewable energy adoption drive the market away from the fossil fuel dependency. Technological solutions for air pollution control. Innovation is at the forefront of the fight against air pollution. Advanced filtration and scrubbing technologies have been developed for industrial emissions, capturing pollutants before they reach the atmosphere. Vehicles are becoming increasingly sophisticated with advances in catalytic converters and emission control systems. Furthermore, software and monitoring technologies play an important role, enabling real-time tracking of pollution levels and effectiveness of control intervention. The rise of smart cities leverages technologies to optimize urban planning and reduce environmental footprints from smart grid that improve energy efficiency to intelligent transportation system that reduce traffic congestion and emission. Technology underpins modern strategies to clear our skies. We have came to the conclusion of this video. Conclusion and future prospects. The narrative of air pollution is one that carries widely consequences of our health and the environment we inhabit. It is the tale of challenges and opportunities alike. With every breath of polluted air, the urgency to act becomes more pronounced, driving the advancement of policies, technologies, and individual actions towards cleaner. Looking ahead, the beacon of hope shines on innovations in green technologies and a collective commitment to sustainability. The continued success in this endeavor will be defined by our collective will to implement and adhere the measures required to grant coming generations a world of clear skies and clean air. Sustainability. Sustainable practices will drive the future of air pollution control, balancing progress with environmental conservation. Innovation solutions in energy and transport sectors are crucial for continued improvements in air quality. Global actions. Global cooperation remains pivotal to address the transboundary nature of air pollution effectively. Thank you.